the Accelera IOTA EVT, a touring tyre designed to deliver exceptional performance for everyday drivers. It's available in sizes from 17 to 22 inches and is a great option for EV and ICE drivers alike. It has an asymmetrical tread design and 3 solid centre ribs. These help with high speed stability and grip, whilst a tough outer shoulder is going to help with that cornering grip and stability. In wet conditions, the 4 wide circumferential grooves channel water away to combat aquaplaning and enhance wet grip and performance. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tyre and industry advice. Accelera's next generation silica compound is designed to help lower rolling resistance to improve both EV and ICE range, whilst the optimised pitch sequencing ensures a quiet and comfortable ride. So there we have it, that is the Accelera IOTA EVT, a great option for drivers that want comfort, performance and reliability all rolled into one.